Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I want to talk to you about receding gums and what you can do to treat the condition naturally. Clenching, grinding your teeth during sleep can cause receding gums. Age can also be a cause, but more often than not, it is improper brushing. If you brush your teeth too aggressively or too often, if the toothbrush you use is too hard or abrasive, then you're going to do more damage than good. It can cause gums to recede along with some other problems. If you have receding gums, it can cause hot or cold sensitivity, tooth loss, or hypersensitivity to even air temperature. So first thing you need to do is learn proper brushing technique and get the right kind of brush that is not traumatizing to your gums, especially if you have thin gums. If you naturally have prominent roots or if you had braces, then you're also more likely to have receding gums. In that case, you need to take extra precautions and be more alert about your brushing habits. So, is there anything you can do to reverse the condition or prevent it from getting worse? Yes. First, it's olive oil. Simple olive oil gargle. You take olive oil and you swish it around your mouth for 5 minutes if you can handle it, and just spit it out. That does wonders for your gums. Do it repeatedly. Do it regularly every single day until you actually begin to see healing and the sensitivity to the gums and the teeth goes down. Another thing you want to do is clove tea mixed with vinegar. You basically boil the tea, um, boil cloves with water until you have clove tea. Add a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar or apple cider vinegar would do, and swish it around your mouth. Wash your mouth with it. Use it like a mouthwash, and you should really begin to see substantial difference very quickly in a matter of days. Actually, do it twice a day. You don't want to use clove tea too much because it is very potent. It's very strong. It's highly effective, but everything in a moderation. So definitely use it twice a day. It's safe to use it twice a day. More than that, I would not recommend it unless you're working closely with a dentist who recommends otherwise. Another thing that is really highly effective for receding gums is aloe vera gel. Eating aloe vera gel is very good for your overall health. If you mix a small piece of fresh aloe vera gel with some water and rinse your mouth with it, it can remove inflammation, bad breath, and sensitivity to cold and heat. Regular use can actually reverse receding gums, so that's definitely something you want to give a shot. Omega-3 fatty acids taken daily for up to 12 weeks can improve gum to tooth attachment and significantly remove gum inflammation. So you definitely want to consult with a naturopath or an herbalist to see what dosage would be best for you. Sea salt is also amazing. 1 teaspoon of sea salt to 1 cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. And you should really begin to see great difference in your overall oral health. Hydrogen peroxide is also great for receding gums. You combine 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1/4 cup of water. That's 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with equal amount of water. Swish around your mouth for about 30 seconds. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week. Don't do it regularly. Give yourself a break. Clove tea. In general, like I mentioned, clove tea mixed with vinegar, but clove tea by itself is also excellent for your health in general, but especially amazing when it comes to tackling inflammation, bleeding gums, and gum recession. All you need to do is take a cup of water and add 7 to 10 cloves to it. Bring the water to rapid boil while covered. Let it boil for a few minutes and then shut the fire, but don't uncover the pot. Remember, I told you before, you want to make sure all the essential oils settle back into the water. And you can store it in a bottle and make sure it's a glass bottle, and you can leave it in the sink or put it in the refrigerator. Use it as a mouthwash twice daily. You should see significant results in a month. This is it for this video. I have a whole section on natural dental care on my website. Make sure you check it out at www.keysofhealth.com. There's one point I want to mention. When you use any oil, especially when I mentioned olive oil, make sure you choose extra virgin olive oil because it's definitely better for your health. Meanwhile, if you have any questions or concern, I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.